side of the road. Heat rising up from the blacktop below. My jacket's flapping like it wants to fly, and the Gulf breeze cuts soft as a lullaby. Sea oats wave like they're keeping the beat, and the whole coast hums underneath my feet. There's a calm on the Gulf that the world don't know, a rhythm in the tide only riders show. This is my Gulf breeze run, easy as the waves under the Florida sun. Shoreline smiling, troubles undone. Yeah, life feels lighter on a Gulf breeze run. Pelicans glide like ghosts in the air. Boats drift slow like they don't have a care. Stop by a shack for some cold lemonade. Meet a couple locals living the slow parade. Back on the saddle for the sky turns red. Chasing the day, leaving miles ahead. Every breath tastes like salt and peace, and the deeper I ride, the deeper release. This is my Gulf breeze run, easy as the waves under the Florida sun. Shoreline smiling, troubles undone. Yeah, life feels lighter on a Gulf breeze run. I'll stop where the shore gets thin, let the breeze wrap me up like next to kin. Some roads heal more than a doctor can. This one knows the soul of a riding man. This is my Gulf breeze run, where the coast and the chrome roll into one. Sand on my boots, worries outrun. Breeze run.
Another sunrise breaking through a foggy sky. We're tired and sore, but we saddle up and try. Your hands on the bars, mine wrapped around your waist. Two hearts chasing freedom, two helmets in the same place. Storm clouds ahead, but we've weathered worse. Long rides feel heavy, but love comes first. Yeah, the road is long and the body pays a price, but every mile is sweeter with you by my side. 'Cause it's worth the ride, every ache, every mile, to see Montana's mountains make us both smile. Worth the cold mornings, worth those wind-burned nights, for the Oregon coast glowing soft and fading light. Texas heat to Carolina blue, this whole wide country feels better with you. Yeah, it's worth the ride. Sometimes my back hurts, sometimes your hands go numb. Sometimes we wonder what the hell we've become. Maps on the tank bag, bugs on our face, laughing at how we look in some small town place. But there's magic in the moments when the world opens wide, and I lean in closer, matching your stride. Every curve we take is a memory we build, every mile every storm, riding to up with you. Yeah, it's worth the ride. We're not just travelers, we're wanderers bound by the hum of the engine, by the places we found, by the way your shoulder relaxes when the road turns smooth, by the way every sunrise feels brand new. Love rides further when it rides on too. Yeah, it's worth the ride, every bruise, every night, to pull over together, watch the stars ignite. Worth the long highways, worth the uphill climbs, to see this whole country 1 mile at a time. 'Cause baby, no matter where the wheels take us to, every view hits better standing next to you. Yeah, it's worth the ride.
Front tire humming down the shoreline road, salt breeze hitting hard like it already knows. Palms sway slow while the gulls fly free, and the blue-green water keeps calling to me. Sunlight dripping like gold on the bay, chrome catching fire in that midday haze. Every mile feels lighter, every shadow falls behind. It's just me, the road, the ocean, and the freedom in my mind. 'Cause I'm riding along Florida's coast, where the sun shines brightest on the water the most. Waves roll easy, my heartbeat too, sky wide open in a perfect shade of blue. Wind in my jacket, trouble getting smaller, right in the sunshine, watching it shine on the water. Passing little beach towns with their barefoot crowds, music drifting out of windows, playing soft and loud. Foot pegs vibing with the rhythm of the tide, feels like the whole state's riding beside. Bay bridges stretching like a thread of light, giving me a front row seat to paradise. Every curve feels easy, every worry slips away. The ocean's got a way of saying, breathe deep, stay. Yeah, I'm riding along Florida's coast, where the sun shines brightest on the water the most. Waves roll easy, my heartbeat too, sky wide open in a perfect shade of blue. Wind in my jacket, trouble getting smaller, right in the sunshine, watching it shine on the water. Watching it shine on the water. Maybe it's the Gulf, maybe it's the Keys, maybe it's the way the breeze knows just what I need. Every mile ahead is a brand new start. Salt and freedom seeping straight into my heart. So I'm riding along Florida's coast, let the sun keep pouring that gold on the most. Water like diamonds, roads like dreams, life feels easy in the coastal gleam. Wind in my jacket, trouble getting smaller, right in the sunshine, why dreams across this land. Yeah, every line on this old black top tells a story that'll never stop. I'm riding free, wild as the breeze. No cage can hold a soul like me. The sky's not a roof, the road's my creed. Throttle open, yeah, that's all I need. Signs blur by in the heat and haze, chasing life in a cloud of grace. Don't need no map, don't need a plan, just a rumble rolling through my hands. I'm riding free, wild as the breeze. No cage can hold a soul like me. From dawn to dusk, it's destiny. This road was made for souls like me. Maybe someday I'll slow it down, but not while the wheels still spin around. Freedom's calling, can't you hear that sound? Riding free, yeah, I'm riding free. Yeah, I'm riding free. This heart don't need no guarantee. Wind and thunder carry me. Forever wild, forever free.